Hello everyone, welcome back to Kreation Arts. Today we are going to draw and paint a watermelon slice, and the best part? We are going to do it in 4 different ways. So let's get started. I am using Brustro Pencils today, the 2B, 6B and 10B. For the medium dark areas, I switched to 6B. You can see how smoothly it shades. Fill the shades with 10B or as you like. As we are giving pencil shade on the part which is supposedly against the light, so we shade it darker. I have never tried camel shading pencils. I heard they are better. I will unbox them in my next video. Now start the shading the mesocarp gently, building up the tones layer by layer for a smooth and realistic effect. For the flesh or the free part shaped in the direction I have shown. Lighter shading, the flesh of the watermelon gets darker towards the bottom. If you want the best pencil shading, you must keep the pencils very sharp. Okay, let's move to our next slice. I will paint this with oil pastels. Now for something exciting. I am using Camel Pastels and I have something special to share. I am unboxing a brand new set of Camel Pastels right here. Now I fill in the watermelon. The flesh is shaded in the soft red tones because pastel pencils blend beautifully Color the seeds black with black sketch pen or black outliner pens or black marker pencils, whichever you like. Use Prussian blue very gently to show the other side, which is darker due to lack of light. It will give a 3D effect to your slice. I keep the rind area lighter. Use light green to blend with the yellow. Use sap green to shade the other side. Now with the help of viridian green or dark green, you paint the skin of the watermelon. I am also unboxing the Camel Colour Pad today. Now we move to painting. For this one, I am using Camel watercolors. I mix a nice red for the flesh. Watercolor is all about layers. Start light. Leave some lighter tones to show the light reflection. Getting a Prussian color to give a darker tone on the other side of the slice. For the rind, I use green at the outer edge and yellow just inside. See that lovely band of color? Here I am using a chrome yellow shade for the darker areas. Watercolor has a freshness to it. It feels light and juicy, just like a real watermelon. And finally, my most favorite part, gouache painting. I am using Brustro Gouache for this one. Then I fill the flesh with strong red. Because gouache is opaque, I can even paint light colors over dark ones. And that is a big advantage over watercolor. I add a little shadow on one side to give it a three-dimensional look. The seeds go on top, dark and bold. Gouache gives the most vibrant, solid finish of all four techniques. If you found this helpful, please like this video and subscribe to Kreation Arts. Share it with a friend who loves art. I will see you in the next one. Keep creating. Bye for now, dear friends.